GHL is Go High Level. Sikat na sikat to siya sa Pilipinas. The way Go High Level works and yung business model kasi niya is white labeling. So halimbawa ako, magpo-purchase ako ng agency account for Go High Level. The way I earn is I sell the platform using my brand to other businesses. Kung ba ikaw may restaurant ka, i-convince kita na mag-install ka nitong Go High Level kasi kailangan mo to sa business mo. Pero yung gagamitin mo is yung white label ko. So I earn a commission. Now, if I'm going to scale that operation, kailangan ko mag-hire ng mga tao para mag-install ng platform niya. I would get VAs from the Philippines. And dahil small business lang ako, syempre yung kaya ko lang ding i-pay are small amounts, maliit lang. Although it's a great platform, but right now with my experience, none of my enterprise level clients, as in zero, are using Go High Level. They are either using Pipedrive or HubSpot. So, yun yung mga platform na talagang ginagamit ng mga enterprise level companies. Yung advantage kasi nun is, yun yung skill set ng mga malalaking kumpanya that are earning $4 million a month, $1 million a month, na kaya magpasweldo ng more than 300,000 sa mga empleyado nila.